Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the basics. Sign into your Microsoft account on mobile and enable rewards right away. Install Microsoft Edge and the Bing app. Make them your default browser and search engine where allowed, because that unlocks search credits. Once done, turn on location and notifications so mobile-only bonuses and daily check-ins appear. Then open Bing and complete the daily search goal. This immediate action starts point accrual while you move to the next phase. Now you focus on stacking earnings efficiently. Do mobile searches until the daily mobile target is met, then use Edge activities like quizzes and polls because they award extra points quickly. Make sure to also open the Microsoft Rewards dashboard to claim mobile-specific daily sets. Syncing across devices prevents lost credit. Once you understand which activities pay best, repeat them in short sessions throughout the day. This keeps you under time limits and steadily increases your total without extra cost or effort. Finally, redeem your accumulated points for gift cards, sweepstakes entries, or charitable donations. Check the minimums and delivery methods before you spend. Make use of weekly bonus promotions and referral boosts to accelerate progress. Timing matters. If points don't appear, first sync your account, relog, and clear the app cache. Then document timestamps and activity and contact Microsoft support if necessary. Doing these final steps ensures rewards convert to value, and troubleshooting saves you wait.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.